Hi everyone, here's my Hmong item of the day. It's the Hmong ribbon that goes around the purple hat. So I have two colors, the silver and the gold, and then the colors around it are kind of similar too. This one I think is brighter. And then I also have this one that's like a blue instead of the white. So just a different color, and it comes just as like a ribbon like that. Sorry, I have a stuffy nose, guys. There. And oh, here's the back if you want to see it. Oops. There it is. Here's the back. And then here's the front. Really pretty. Okay. And then I'll show you how it's on the hat. I taped it. It's pretty bad, but just kind of cover it up there. You can sew it too. This one is sewn on actually. But this one I just taped it on. So there you go. It's really pretty. These are, I haven't seen these in a while, but the other week I saw them at Hmong Village. I saw this blue one at Hmong Village, so I bought it. It cost me $10, so not too bad. Not too bad. And then here's the silver one. Really pretty. Really pretty. There. I'll zoom in on it. Super pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching my Hmong item of the day.